We got her changed, we got her fed, and now it's time to put you in your car seat so we can go. Okay, we are just about to head to Georgia. Got all of our shenanigans in here. Wish us luck. This is our first time traveling with little monster baby. We're gonna be escaping Idaho for a little bit. As you can tell, it is extremely snowy. No, that is not dirt. That is dirty snow. That's my baby like you. You wanna hold her hand?
I know you're shy.
You're so excited to see right now, huh?
Hey, hey.
Rena looks so pale.
You're so excited. Oh.
I brought the birth certificate, but they didn't check it, so I don't know if that's bad or not, so we'll see. We got to be dropped off by my brother, so that was nice. We're just gonna go grab a bite to eat now because we're a little hungry still. So. Okay. When did we down there?
Yeah, we can go check out.
I mean, I guess. Because, here, let's look at the map. That's McDonald's, I guess, right? They don't have any. They don't have Chick-fil-A. Not yet. Georgia. Oh my gosh, Bryson. We're here.
We're here.
Back at H Mart, and we have some yummy food. We're gonna go look around the shopping. It's the best, literally the best, and I am so happy to be back here. My youth, I swear. So happy. I've been skipping and skipping just because there's so many snacks that I love. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to see which one. I don't know. Pond City Market, so it's basically just a bunch of food. It's like a lot of hipster kind of food. And so, like, we got all this stuff. It's a brewery. Would we come to Atlanta if we didn't do a Martin Luther King Day? So there's a little activity.